So alright guys, so I just received the E-YOOSO X-31 gaming mouse. This is a big mouse for those with a big hands or those who want to game with a big device on a budget. Yeah, so this is the E-YOOSO X-31 gaming mouse built for big hands only, and I got this for $30. And if you want to get one for yourself, you can send me a message on WhatsApp or just drop a comment and I'll show you how you can contact me and get one for yourself. So right here you can see E-YOOSO written on the box X-31 gaming mouse. You can see some illustrations of the device, the receiver, and the laptop and battery, and how to connect the device to your laptop here. So at the back you get to see the E-YOOSO written and some quick specifications. It's plug and play, and you also have 5 adjustable DPI. It supports Windows XP, Windows 7, Windows 10, Windows 11, Vista, Mac, and many others. So device certification and address and all of that. So let's unbox this device and see what's inside. Yeah, so straight out of the box you get to see the main E-YOOSO big mouse, as you can see for yourself, and it has this receiver with an orange base. So let's check the receiver out. Yeah, so this is the receiver. As you can see, receiver written on it. Yeah, so this is the receiver for the mouse USB type. So if you are using a MacBook, I think you need a Type C hub that has USB port, and just connect it to your laptop and you'll be good to go. And of course, finally, the main device itself. So this is the E-YOOSO boldly written here, and this is a screw. So this is a screw wheel. Yeah, adjustable DPI, and it also has some buttons on the side. We get to know about those buttons in a detailed review video coming soon. Yes, over here to the base, you can see the E-YOOSO boldly written on the back. You can see the light sensor at the back, and this is where you insert your battery. So it's advisable to get a Duracell battery. I think it's 15-volt AA battery. Yeah, so I think that's it for that side. Yeah, so there are clickable buttons. This is a sound test. But I really like how the base is so flat. You can just place it there and your hand will rest on it, no matter how small or big your hand is. This mouse fit token, and it's perfect for gaming, but as a video editor and a business owner, this will come in handy and will help me a lot. Yeah, so let me know your thoughts in the comments below and what you want to know about this device coming up in the full detailed video. Yeah, thanks, and subscribe for more.